You're welcome. You're welcome so much. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. So, this is what we'll be solving 3 over m plus 4 equal to 0. So, the first thing we do is to get the LCM, and it's obvious the LCM is just m. So, the LCM is m. So, we multiply by the LCM. Multiply by the LCM. So what do I mean? I mean we're multiplying this by the LCM, which is m. So this way, m in bracket 3 over m plus m, we're multiplying this by m2 plus multiplying by m2, which is the LCM. Multiply this, equal to 0. So now this can cancel out this and we'll be left with 3 plus m times m squared plus 4 times m, 4m. So now let's rearrange it. M squared plus 4m plus 3 equal to 0. So now what two numbers can we add to have this? We can add 3m and 1m, because 3m plus 1m is 4m. Then we'll bring this one down, equal to 0. So what do they have in common, these two? They have m. They both have m. So m plus 3. M times m squared. M times 3, 3m plus 1. What you have here, you should have here too. 1 times m, 1m. 1 times 3, 3 equal to 0. So now m plus 1 is equal to 0. M plus 1 is equal to 0, which means m is equal to minus 1. When it crosses over, it becomes minus. Then m plus 3 is equal to 0. M plus 3 equal to 0, which means m is equal to minus 3. So this is the answer for this equation. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Please, please. Now let's solve the second one. The second one says P is equal to so P is equal to 33 over 2P plus 5. So our LCM is obviously 2P plus 5. LCM is 2P plus 5. So we multiply by the LCM. So we multiply P times this, 2P plus 5 equal to 33. Multiply 2P plus 5. Don't forget there is something under, so the denominator there is 2P plus 5. So this can cancel out this. P times 2P is 2P squared plus P times 5, 5P equal to 33. So it becomes 2P. What two numbers can we add or subtract to have plus 2P? Plus 5P, sorry. So 2P squared, the two numbers I have is 11P minus 6P, because 11 minus 6 is 5. So these are equal to 33, comes over the other way, becomes minus 33 equal to 0. So now what do they have in common? They have P in common. P, 2P plus 11. P times this is this, and this times this is this. What you have here, you should have here. This times this times this equal to 0. So P minus 3 is equal to 0. P minus 3 equal to 0, which means P is equal to 3. Minus 3 crossing over becomes 3. And 2P plus 11, is equal to 0, which means P is equal to 11 over 2. 11 over 2, which also means the same thing as, don't forget this is plus, positive, no, positive, this is positive here. So it has to become negative when it crosses over. So we can break this thing further, break it down by saying 5, 1 over 2. Because 2 times this 10, 10 plus this 11, which is the same thing as this. So this is the answer. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.